There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby cigars back.
Hello YouTube, this is something different. I have a 150-pound anvil I can't lift up, get on my bench. So I'm just trying to find out if there's any writing on it. It's got black paint all over it, and it's sitting on the floor here. So I'm gonna try to set it up so you can actually see it. And I'm gonna grind the paint off of it, and maybe I can get somebody to ID the damn thing for me. So it's all rusty, you know, typical anvil. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this is number 6. Yeah, 6 anvils. I think I started a collection of those too. So hold on a second. I will aim the camera down here. Why do I keep looking over there on the side when I should be looking in the middle of the camera? See, look in the middle. It's more like I'm staring at. Ooh, you. Anyway, back to the thing. I'll get back to this. Hello YouTube. Let's see if you can. Not sure if you can tell what I'm doing here. I'm not even sure if you'll be able to see what I'm going to do. Let's see, I have a anvil right here, which should have a goddamn name on it somewhere. It also looks like it's been welded. But you know what? For purposes other than this. I don't think there's any writing on this side. It doesn't look like there's any writing on that side. There is a big weld here. I don't know if the horn cracked or broke off, or somebody just did whatever. You never know with these goddamn things. So yeah, I'm gonna try to flip this mofo over. I don't know who makes it. I don't know. I'm not an anvil expert, but this thing is most certainly digging into my floor. Yeah. Let's see if we can get some information out this sucker. And who knows? Might be just a Chinese piece of junk. Well, it looks like the horn was cracked right off. I think the horn broke. Somebody broke the end off somehow. There's some kind of a name on it here. Let me turn this around here. Yeah, I'm sure there's a better way to move anvils around, especially when it's cold. I'm going to try to get this so I can see it. I'll try to get a close-up for you too. Let's see. I guess I'll have to ask the blacksmith group about this one. But here, let me take this off here. Here's what the anvil says. So, something Glee. Huge brazing. Hello folks, let's try this again. This is what it says on the anvil. There's a SUN. There's a huge horn repair on this side. There's some extremely shoddy welding here. This anvil isn't worth its weight in gold. It's got a lot of pity marks. Lots of rust, the beater. But you know what? It's a 150-pound chunk of beat, so I'd lose something.